Are we going?
Start?
Yep, start.
My square! Who's crawling on the ground? Ow! You're in my square.
My house. Am I the one marching at this point?
No!
I don't hear any marching. Pick those knees up.
Dave's almost, he's almost made it back to his. He's taking a tour. No, he's almost in Abby's square.
My square!
Elbow. Get out of my spot.